Hey, it's Chris here. I'm competing this year in Ted's from Off the Hook Outdoors' fishing tackle challenge here. Basically, pick up some stuff around the house and make some fishing tackle. So, if you're interested in watching and take it out fishing, we'll see if we catch something. Stick around and stay tuned. So, like I said, I'm participating in Off the Hook Outdoor Ted's fishing lure challenge. Basically, I have to find household items, different things to build a fishing lure. I'll show you here really quick what I found around the house to use, and then I'm just going to do a quick time lapse of filming this, or of making this. I'll film it, and then we have to fish with this. So I got a good excuse to go out fishing. So thank goodness. And we'll have to grab one of my 50-some rods and we'll have to go give it a try. So let's flip you around here and show you what we got. So I kind of robbed my daughter's jewelry stuff. We got some jewelry here, some earrings, got some charms that she bought, which I think out of that, this Hope one might be the only thing I use. We have a cat poof ball. I know my dog loves them. He's really wanting that. So we have, I'm going to take the top off of this as the body. She had some line here. It's just too thin. You can see where it bends really easy. So that's probably not going to be used. So take that. I have these rock like strand bracelet things that she had. I don't know if I'm going to use any of them. Then we got some tools here. So now let's get to building. And here we have a lure. There's the top. The Hope up here will be up here, part of spinning. This bottom down here will be spinning. And then I'll put the hook here. So I don't have any hooks in here right now, but I will get some hooks. You know, we want to make sure that if we do catch something with this, we're catching it properly. So I'm going to bring everybody back here probably whenever we get out here to the water and go fishing. So, which I filmed this on the 6th. It won't be this weekend or so, but we will get out in the water in the next few days because I want to get this posted as soon as possible. Let's try this lure out. I'm going to show you the final product. I was able to finish this. So, I have it hooked up to a little leader hookup. We have Hope on front. We hope we catch a fish. And we have the body, the cat toy. I have a hook I took off of another lure. You can see it. I don't know if I put that smiley face earring. Probably shouldn't have been in that spot, but we're going to give it a try. I'm hoping, I mean, it's been rainy off and on all day. Not going to be the greatest of catching, but we're going to give it a try. So well, this feels heavy. I almost need to put a bobber with it or something. thing's really heavy. Must have fell straight to the ground or on the floor. Nope. There it is. It's heavy. I can feel it's heavy. Not what I was looking for, but with what I had, it's understandable. You guys can see that. Let's honestly, I hate to say it, I don't have high hopes on this. We don't catch anything at this pond, we'll go somewhere else. A lot of algae. I've heard there was bass in here and stuff. Let's try it over here in this other spot. So really quickly, I'm going to talk about this here. That's a flaw. This thing is soaked. It is waterlogged. It's heavy too. This thing is very heavy with that waterlog. So, and of course, the charm or the earring right there, no good idea. Yeah, by the time I get it back in, this thing probably weighs an extra half pound. So, wasn't a good idea, but it was fun to try. So, thanks for stopping in. Check out Ted Off the Hook Outdoors. Thanks for offering this. Everybody that has donated stuff to Ted's giveaway as well, you know, thanks for doing that. So good luck to everybody. I'm filming this, I think like 18th or 19th. So gonna finish it up, and I'm pretty much done here. I'm actually gonna do a live stream from where I'm at. Catch everybody later. Stay safe out there. Have fun. Get out there and have the fun in the outdoors, and God bless.